Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials, first impressions, or reviews. So today we're going to revisit an older palette that I love, which is also known as a Jaclyn Hill Dupe palette, and that's this Beauty Glaze palette. Don't judge me, it's a little dirty because I use it a lot. It's one of my favorite palettes. But anyways, I wanted to create something that was very playful. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned.